All right, so today we're here at Lugu.
我们在这里在鹿谷。
And we're gonna go hiking.
我们要去运动。
Let's go.
我们要去哦。
Careful. When you have two walls, like here and here, the way that you climb them is you push with your hands like this, and you lift yourself up. Watch it. Lift yourself up, and then you go like this. Okay? Okay, push with your hands on here. Over here. Okay, jump. Put your legs. That's it, that's it, that's it. Now work your way up. That's it. That's it. Yeah, there you go. Okay. It's called chimneying. Okay, you ready? Jump. Back behind you like that. Yep. That's it. There you go. So, you just go like this. You just work your way up like this. All right, so we're up here at Lugu, and most of the trails up here, the roads, are quite wide and smooth, which is nice but kind of boring.
这里的鹿谷很步道很大很宽很平缓很无聊，但是很热爱。
And most days when you come up here, the mist will be low, the clouds will be low, and it'll be like really misty and you can't see very far. But we got lucky today and it was a gorgeous sunny day.
今天之前每次来的时候就会起雾，但是今天很好，看得很清楚。
So like and subscribe and join us next time for Adventure Twins.
喜欢你音乐，请按赞。